I know my heart needs more than decluttering, a spiritual heart surgery to recalibrate its desires, its affection. It needs the heart of his Father, the King that should be sitting in the throne of my heart. Our human heart captivated by this temporary tent called Earth. We keep looking to the world, but the answer isn't there. The heart keeps seeking for some resolve, quick fix, or instant relief. We form some false sense of peace, as if peace is something we can purchase or fake. We trust people and ideas and different kinds of influence that this world freely offers. So we consume them and maybe satisfy us for a moment, but then leave us empty again. But what if what God really wants us to do is to just listen, to seek Him with all of our hearts, because the truth is He has all the answer. And most of the time, if not all the time, He is sufficient. He is enough. He is the answer. In today's world, where a lot of us striving to become good or expert of something, but it's also tiring and exhausting. We put unrealistic expectations on ourselves. We also become our worst critic, especially when we compare our story. We can become oppositional, judgmental, completely forgetting we have our own path to take. We have our own life to live. We all have different season and different journey. We also have priorities, but we probably forget to sit down and ask ourselves, should they really be our priority? Or maybe we know what should we really prioritize, but we are doing something completely different. Our intentions don't align with our habits. Our lifestyle is only picture perfect. I know for a fact that my soul is craving for something more meaningful. I love the concept of minimalism, slow living, and quiet life. These are also the things I'm trying to cultivate in my life. However, I also felt like I have to make sure I'm not being drifted away from God's work in advancing His kingdom. Because there's a tendency to focus on these things, but missing the whole point. And I'm reminded by the Lord that the significance of my existence as a human being, my whole life, should revolve in two main commandments of Jesus. One is to love God with all my heart, mind, soul, and strength. And the second is to love my neighbors as I love myself. By the way, this is not an advice, but more of what I'm just reflecting on lately. The cry of my heart, something to ponder, and reasons to draw closer to God. I know that the more I choose to turn to Him rather than the world, I will hear from Him. It's His promise. He bent down and listened to His children. I humble myself, my heart, before the Lord, because Jesus said to be like a little child, to have a childlike faith. I don't know anything apart from Him. I know I am nothing without Him.